Hello SQL coders, want to share your SQL scripts on GitHub? Whether it's for portfolio or team projects, uploading SQL files to GitHub is super easy. I'll show you how to set up a repository and push your scripts in a few quick steps. So first, of course, you need to sign up for a free GitHub account. If you haven't already, download Git from git.scm.com and install on your computer. After that, open the terminal and I will show you which commands you need to type in. Okay, so this is going to be the first command. After that, let us insert the second command. After that, this command, my friends. So this basically links your commits to your GitHub profile. After that, you need to log into GitHub, click New Repository, name it, for example, SQL scripts, and choose public or private. Add a README and a git ignore file for SQL, then click Create Repository. Copy the repository's HTTPS URL on your computer, create a folder, navigate to it in the terminal, and clone the repo with git clone and then paste the URL. After that, copy your SQL file into the cloned folder. In the terminal, type git add queries.sql to stage it, and then git commit /m. After that, add SQL queries. To save changes locally. For database dumps, use MySQL dump to export your MySQL database as a .sql file. And after that, run git push origin main to upload your SQL file to GitHub. Refresh your GitHub repo page to see it live. Guys, any questions, share below, like and subscribe, of course, and if you have any questions, leave them below. Guys, this is how it's done, not that hard. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.